Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Best Buy affiliate program, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for the Best Buy affiliate program, start by visiting the Best Buy website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page and look for the link that says affiliates. Click on this link to be directed to the affiliate program page. On the affiliate program page, you will find detailed information about the program. Take a moment to review the benefits and requirements outlined there. When you are ready, look for the button labeled Join Now or Sign Up. Click on this button to access the registration form. You will need to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill out the registration form with your personal and contact information. Provide details about your website or promotional platform where you will be sharing Best Buy products. Include information about your target audience and marketing strategies. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit the registration form. You will receive a confirmation email once your application has been processed. This may take a few days, so be patient during this period. Once approved, log in to the affiliate dashboard using your credentials. Here, you can access marketing materials, affiliate links, and tracking tools. Familiarize yourself with the resources available to help you promote Best Buy products effectively. Generate your unique affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Start sharing these links through your website or social media platforms. Monitor your performance regularly through the affiliate dashboard. Review your earnings, clicks, and conversion rates to optimize your strategies. If you have any questions, consult the affiliate program support page for assistance. Now you are ready to begin your journey as a Best Buy affiliate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.